Hello and welcome to a quick overview on JAWS. JAWS stands for Job Access with Speech. JAWS is a screen reader and arguably one of the best in the world. This video is only going to be around about 5 minutes or so and is designed to give you a quick insight into what JAWS is capable of. I'm going to quickly cover opening JAWS, talking a bit about it, and navigating a website using Internet Explorer. Just showing you some of the basic navigational keystrokes within JAWS, how to navigate websites, that sort of thing. So I'm currently running JAWS version 15 on Windows 7 operating system. So if you've got any slight variations of software or operating system, there might be some added features that aren't available in this version, but the basic premise is exactly the same and should interact exactly the same. So throughout the video, JAWS will speak back to me a lot. So if I get cut off halfway through a sentence, then I will resume after JAWS has stopped talking. So let's begin by opening JAWS.
JAWS for Windows is ready. Start button to open, press enter.
Okay, so JAWS has a lot of verbosity settings, so you can totally customize the voice of JAWS to suit your needs. You can change the speech, you can make it faster, slower, etc. I'm not going to show you that today just because of the limited time scale of this video, but the setup I currently have is as if you've installed it for the very first time. So let's open up Internet Explorer.
Menu, search box, edit. Type text in this edit field or press up or down arrow to move through items.
So I pushed the Windows key to get the start menu up. And what JAWS basically said there was that we're currently in a text edit field, in the search programs and files text edit field, and then we can use the up and down arrow keys to navigate. So I could look for it like this, Internet Explorer, and it's there. Or I can use the up and down arrow keys. I'm just going to quickly use the up and down arrow keys.
Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Link, Microsoft Outlook, Internet Explorer submenu 4 of 11.
Okay, so I was scrolling through and JAWS was telling me exactly what I was highlighted on. And I've got to Internet Explorer, so to open that I just push enter.
Enter, leaving menus. Internet Explorer.
And now it's loading the BBC website.
New tab page. BBC-Home. New tab page. BBC-Home page has 10 regions, 82 headings and 112 links. BBC-Home banner visited link graphic BBC visited link. Heading level 2 accessibility links list of 2 items same page link skip to content. Link accessibility help list and link sign and navigation region heading list.
Okay, so what JAWS will do there is trying to read the whole entire page. To mute that, I push the control key. It's basically like the shut up key for JAWS. Okay, so it's important for any screen reader user to understand the basic elements within a website. So this includes things like the heading structure, hyperlinks, graphics, form fields, etc. The main reason for this is the different elements used within a website are ones that are used for navigation with JAWS. So like I said, there are many ways you can navigate around a website. One of the ways is through hyperlinks. So a hyperlink, or link for short, is text that performs some sort of action when you click it or select it and press enter. If you want, you can go through all the links on the page by pressing the tab key repeatedly. You can also list all the links within a page by pressing the insert and F7 key.
Links list dialog. Links list view. BBC 1 of 112. To move to items, use the arrow keys.
Okay, so here's all the links available on the website. Now, links on a website should be, when read out of context, make some sort of sense. So here we are. Here's
Skip to content. Accessibility. Sign in. News. Sport. Weather. iPlayer. TV. Radio. CBBC.
Okay, so that's the links list,
Sign
and
news,
you navigate that
sport,
using the
news,
up and down arrow keys.
skip BBC.
I just want to quickly refresh the page. So it's the BBC. That is the the main homepage. So we'll push enter.
Enter. BBC visited link graphic.
And I'll refresh the page. Now I'm going to tab through the page.
Tab. New tab. Skip to content. Same page link.
Okay, so a quick note on the skip to content links. Some web pages have special links with names like skip to main content or skip navigation. These same page links, so links that take you onto somewhere on the same page, allow you to quickly jump past navigational elements such as menus, navigation bars, and so on, to go directly to the important information on the page. So if we push enter, this should take us to the welcome to the BBC main content, and should skip out the navigational element, which is the news, sport, weather, iPlayer, TV, radio, CBBC, more, and the search bar. It should skip that completely and go straight to the main content, which is all the news.
Enter. BBC-home page has 10 regions, 82 headings and 112 links. Heading level 1 BBC home page. Heading level 2 Welcome to the BBC Thursday 3 December. Customize your home page button. Link sign in with your BBC ID or link register to see weather, local news and more. Heading level 2 link UK launch.
So you can also navigate by headings on a web page. To do this, you simply press insert F6.
Heading list dialog. Headings list view. Welcome to the BBC: 2, 4 of 82. To move to items, use the arrow keys.
So a heading structure is important not only to present a clear structure to the web page, but also consideration of those using screen readers. Heading tags are used to define the headings in your page or in the page. So there are 6 available. H1 is the biggest and boldest, so that is typically the homepage logo, the homepage button, and then H6 is the smallest. They are used as if you were writing a book or writing an article. That's how it splits up the page. So it's used as a hierarchical structure really for the web page, so you can navigate it with relative ease.
UK launch. Oscar Pistorius. Alan Yentob resigns as BBC Creative Director: 2.
So like we did with the list links, I'm using the up and down arrows to go through, and when I want to make that heading receive the active focus, I press enter.
Enter. Visited heading level 2 link. Alan Yentob resigns as BBC Creative Director. Alan Yentob resigns as BBC Creative Director. Enter. New tab page. Alan Yentob resigns as BBC Creative Director Entertainment and Arts. Heading level.
So I pushed enter again to navigate to that to this web page, and now I'd stop JAWS, but JAWS would continue reading that entire page.
Links list dialog. Links list view. Accessibility help. Skip. BBC. Enter. BBC visited link graphic.
Now I'm on the back on the main homepage again. So there's another way you can search as well. There are many more, but this is the last one I'm going to do just because on the timescale. Is that you can use Control and F to search or to find a word or phrase on the page.
Virtual find. JAWS find dialog. Find what: edit combo 0 items. To set the value, use the arrow keys or type the value Alt plus W.
Okay, so I opened that using Control and F, and I can basically search for anything on this page. So if I know that there is something called weather on this page, I type in WEA and
enter.
click find.
Visited link weather.
There we go, and it found it for me. So I push enter again.
Weather visited link.
And it will take me to the weather section of the
BBC
website.
weather page has 5.
And it obviously took me to the weather section of the website. So Control
Virtual
F.
find. JAWS A. R. A. Enter. Link radio.
Link radio. So that's received the active focus now. So push enter again.
Enter. Radio visited link.
And it'll take me to that. I've barely scratched the surface of what JAWS is capable of. However, I hope it's given a very quick insight into how JAWS interacts with the website or websites, and how you can navigate them using JAWS.